Okay, ready? Isabella, where is the word name? Name. Where's name? Good job. Give it to Mommy. Where is the word after? Very good. Where is the word good? Good job. Where is the word little? Very good. And the word very? Very. Very good. Where is the word thing? Thing. No, what does that say? What does that say, Isabella?
Give.
That says give, right. Where is the word thing? Th. With the TH sound. Thing. Very good. Where is the word take? Year. Sound. Live. That's right. Most. That's right. How about, okay, let's do the one that you like. Give. Where's give? How about the word just? Only. No. Hour. Place. Yay! Good job! That's right! Good job!